Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another review, this time of the deluxe Zenkai buckle from Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger. This is the buckle used by just Zenkaiger. The other Zenkaigers don't have the buckles to store various Sentai gears. So we'll take a look at the box, then the belt itself, and then the gears. So here we have the box. Got a picture of Zenkaiger. The little flap up here is a bit crooked. The buckle, the three gears it comes with, Zenkai Gaon, Zenkai Majin, and Zenkai Vrun. This side you got Zenkaiger. You got the other 5 Zenkaigers. Things I can't read. All 5 Zenkaigers. And then everything you're going to do with this thing. So we'll take a quick look at the lay belt. The buckle itself is done out in the silver plastic, and you do get a chrome V on the front, similar to the Super Sentai, generic Super Sentai emblem. Yeah, you do get some copyright information on the back, but that's about it. The straps are just smaller versions of the rider belt straps that go on something like the shot riser. And putting it on is basically the same sort of deal. So you take these off. Trying to remember which one's which. Okay, this is left, because they are marked L and R. So there's left, and that's right, I had that backwards. And then meet in the middle to hopefully get this out. Okay, and then there's that, and then you take these 2 little doodads here, put them back, and then you just kind of wrap it. There you go, and then this holds your slack. So there's the buckle fully formed, and this can hold up to 6 Sentai gears. So here's the ones that it comes with. Here's the ones from the Gear to Linger, and then here's a candy toy. And then you're all set to go. Now, with that out of the way, let's take a look at the actual Sentai gears included. I will go in their numeric order. So first we have the Zenkai Gaon gear. Has this sort of yellowish gold to it, and then the back is just the Zenkaiger mark, or the Zenkaiger mark. I keep flip-flopping between Zenkaiger and Zenkaiger. It gets confusing sometimes. So this is number 25 because it's based on Sentai 25 Gao Ranger. And then we got Zenkai Majin, done out in pink. Same mark on the back. This is 29 for Maju Ranger, Sentai 29. And then Zenkai Vrun, very nice blue going on here. And this is 30 for Bokenger, the 30th anniversary. So let's use these in the That's the wrong way. So let's start with Gaon. There you have the transformation for Zenkai Gaon. Now, they all do the same rapid fire sound. So I'm not going to do anything like that, but here's the finish. So there's the normal side. Now for the kikai side, for the giant mode. Go, go, go! I had to do that. So that's the Big Bang for Zenkai Gaon, and then the finish. Well, that's it for Gaon. Next is Majin. So there you have the transformation for Zenkai Majin. Finish. And then the kikai side. And then finish. And then last is a Varun. So there's Zenkai Varun's transformation. Finisher, and then the kikai side. And that's it. Overall, this is a very basic little thing, but But it does come with some cool Sentai gears, so I definitely recommend picking it up. Don't drop this out of your hands. But so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Ching.